I know, especially when we introduced the curfew, maybe in the initial stages there were some challenges, and I want to apologize to all Kenyans, maybe for some excesses that were conducted or happened.
Ni mutongoria wa bururi mugathe Uhuru Kenyatta akihoya murekera kuri akenya dukoni ni thutha wa maabitha borithi kuonekana makihura akenya uru makigeria guthingatithia mukaana wa kwaga kuuma nja uria waheanitwo ni president kiumia githiru. President aririe hindi ya giikaro kugerera mitambo na arwaru eri aria mareketie kuhona murimu wa COVID-19 akiuga ici ti ciiko njega no endere cia kuguna Kenya kuona muoroto munene wa kuiga watho uyu ni kugiririria gutherema kwa murimu wa COVID-19.
I know, especially when we introduced the curfew, maybe in the initial stages there were some challenges, and I want to apologize to all Kenyans, maybe for some excesses that were conducted or happened.
Mugururio uyu wa maabitha borithi ni utuikite wa kuhahithia Kenya ingi giko gia ica ikuhi ni kiria kirahanikite itura ria Kiamaiko mwena wa Kariobangi kaunti-ini ino ya Nairobi kuria kamwana ka miaka 13 kararathirwo na rithathi ni abitha umwe wa borithi na muthia karahuruka.
Aliingizwa theater kama saa 3 tukakaa karibu fika saa 9 usiku ndio daktari akatoka akaniita akanielezea vile wamejaribu na imeshindika na mtoto vile risasi imempiga kwa tumbo hapa ikatokea hapa chini, haikutokea chini ilikatalia ndani kwa mafupa. Hii imempasua mara nini kila kitu, amembleed damu na uchafu wa tumbo wote imeingia ndani. Kwa hivyo akaniambia mtoto wangu angeweza ku make it.
Na kwa kaunti ya Mombasa muthenya wa mbere mathaine ma thaa 11 cia hwaini akenya monire kanyoni wa ngethe kuria maabitha ya borithi mamahurire uru aria angi magikarithagia thi. Ici ni ciiko ikomithitio ni andu aingi makiria muingi wa kaunti ya Mombasa makiuga ni undu magigia andu kuhurwo kuona na ifoko iria marahuthira ciaya gutambia murimu uyu.
How on earth you are beating people? The whole world saw the beatings and you are not taking any action against anybody. If ferry when across over 300,000 and the ferry cannot take more than 10,000 per hour, haiwezekani kabisa, hakuna mahesabu yanaweza kupiga. Hata ukasema unaweka 2 hours hapa, siju 2 hours magari, it doesn't work because the flow ya watu ni kubwa sana, haiwezekani.
Vile kwa polisi, we have discussed and even told them there is no point to use so much force. Lakini mwananchi naye afate. There is no point where a country is under a curfew on matters health that canisters, tear gas canisters have to be thrown.
Na muthenya wa ira ruhonge rwa guthuthuria murutire wa wira wa maabitha borithi aipoa ni rurakomithirie ndeto ino kuona andu eriri ni marikitie gukua kumana na ciiko ici ihinda-ini riri ria kuhitana na aria marakiruka watho uyu. Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Jerry, Wawa Boy.